For the customer, just starting out, I believe there are 5 elements that can kind of really help you in developing a business with liquidation. First being location. You need to have a location that you can bring in inventory, somewhere that is accessible for 53-foot trucks, bringing in pallets, utilizing forklifts, having to consider whether the truck has a lift gate or not. Certain elements like that, you need to not be working out of a location that's going to be a struggle for you in unloading inventory. The second thing would be obviously your paperwork, being incorporated, having your LLC, having your proper business set up, and having your reseller certificate. That'll allow you, depending on whatever state you're in, to be tax exempt on reselling product, reselling merchandise. The third segment to it, I believe, would be category, specializing in what you sell. The inventory that you're getting in, you need to know what you're good at selling and how fast you can sell that so that you can then order more and keep that kind of process moving. For the fourth element, I would say that your outlet is probably one of your most important elements. Working online is very powerful for any business. Having eBay be in your corner is great. Utilizing eBay, utilizing Amazon Marketplace. Many customers have forums on Facebook. That's one of the strongest client pools that we've seen. Just setting up groups on Facebook, setting up your own website, having your own links to where your customers can come and find your category specific loads and access your business. And then the fifth point being that you need to be able to scale your business. So if you're starting with just a pallet, you're receiving a pallet to your warehouse or storage locker, you need to be able to scale that up. At some point, you're going to want to move from 1 pallet to 5 to a half truckload to a full truckload. I have customers that have scaled in the timetable of 3 months from buying simple pallets to now buying trucks to brokering trucks. They're buying 10, 20 trucks a month and they're selling by the truckload. So it's a very doable thing, but you just have to be able to have that roadmap and understand all the other prior elements, having your proper paperwork, having your category specified, knowing your clientele, having an outlet, whether it be Facebook or an email chat, an email thread with customers that you know, and having a location.